So a very good morning students. Welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, in the last class we were discussing one theorem on area of parallelogram and triangle, where we discussed how to prove geometrically that if two parallelograms lie on the same base and between the same parallels, they will have equal area. The geometrical proof was discussed in detail and I am sure you must have understood. Now let us discuss another theorem, another geometrical truth of the same chapter. Suppose a triangle and a parallelogram. Okay, see what is the next theorem. If a parallelogram and a triangle are on the same base, means they lie on the same base and between the same parallels, then area of triangle will be equal to half the area of parallelogram. What does it mean? It means suppose a triangle and a parallelogram, they will lie on the same base. Look at ABC is one triangle. Suppose BCDE is a parallelogram. See, BCDE is a parallelogram and ABC is a triangle. Now clearly triangle ABC and parallelogram BCDE, they stand on which one? The same base BC. They lie on same base BC, or they are on the same base BC, and they also lie. See, triangle ABC and parallelogram BCDE, they lie between the same parallels. So which are the two parallels? The two parallels are BC and DE, because you see, if BCDE is a parallelogram, then their opposite sides are what? Parallel. So BC must be parallel to DE, and as BC parallel to DE, so BC will also be parallel to AD. Why? Because the points A, E and D are collinear. Okay, points A, E and D are collinear, and ED is parallel to BC. Why it is parallel to BC? Because BCDE is a parallelogram. Okay, so no doubt AD will be parallel to BC. Okay, now AD parallel to BC, and look at triangle ABC and parallelogram BCDE. They stand or lie on which base? They stand on the same base BC. Triangle ABC and parallelogram BCD stand on the same base BC and between the same parallels. Which are the same parallels? That is BC and AD. BC and AD. So how to prove that triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC will be equal to half the area of parallelogram BCDE? Okay, let us prove geometrically that area of triangle ABC will be equal to half the area of parallelogram BCDE if they stand on the same base BC and between the same parallels AD and BC. Okay, so what is given here? Let us write given. In this theorem, what is given? It is given, this is your theorem 9.2. This is theorem 9.2 of chapter area of parallelogram and triangle. Okay, as given in the NCERT syllabus. See, so given triangle ABC and parallelogram, which parallelogram? BCDE. BCDE, they lie on same base. Which is the same base? Same base, your BC, and between same parallels. Between same parallels. Which are the same parallels? Your BC and AD. BC and AD. That means BC and AD are parallel. Why it is parallel? I just explained you now. Because the points A, E and D are collinear and ED is parallel to BC. As BCD is a parallelogram. So no doubt AD and BC will be parallel. Okay. Now this is a given part. Then what we want to prove? We have to prove that area of triangle ABC, see, area triangle ABC will be equal to half into area of parallelogram BCDE. Okay, that means we have to prove that area of triangle ABC is half the area of parallelogram BCDE. How to prove? Now, in order to prove this geometrical truth, okay, what we have to do? We have to do some construction. Without construction, it is not possible. Now, the point is, what construction we will make or do? See, just draw a perpendicular. See, draw a perpendicular AL. Look at. Draw AL, suppose perpendicular to BC, and draw another perpendicular, say DM, to BC produced. You see, this is BC produced. DM is perpendicular to BC produced, and AL is perpendicular to BC. Let us draw these two constructions. Without construction, we cannot prove it geometrically. So, the third step is your construction. So, draw what? AL perpendicular to your BC and DM perpendicular to BC produced. BC produced. Okay. Now let us come to the proof part. Okay. Let us see how we will prove that area of triangle ABC is half the area of parallelogram BCD. Okay. Now see children. It is already given that triangle ABC and triangle BCD stand on this base BC and between the same parallel AD and BC. That means, look at AD and BC, you see. You are given AD parallel to BC. This is given. AD parallel to BC, it is given. Okay. Now see children, if AD parallel to BC and AL is drawn perpendicular to BC and DM is drawn perpendicular to BC produced. Now the point is, what will be the relation between AL and DM? We have already read it in class 8. See. Look at this DM. DM is the altitude or base. Sorry, altitude, not base. DM is the altitude of this parallelogram BCD. BCD, which is a parallelogram, this will be the altitude. Okay. Now AL is the altitude of triangle ABC because AL is drawn perpendicular to BC. Now as AD and BC are parallel, so AL and DM, what are they? They are perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. And we know in class 8, we had read it in class 8 that the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is same everywhere. That means they are equal. So as AL and DM are the perpendicular distances between AD and BC which are parallel. So AL must be equal to DM. Okay. That means you see AD parallel to BC. Therefore your AL will be equal to DM. What is the reason? The reason is perpendicular distance between parallel lines. Perpendicular distance between parallel lines. Okay? Between parallel lines. Perpendicular distance between parallel lines is same everywhere. That means the distance between two parallel lines is always same. Okay? So, AL equal to DM. Now it is very simple. Our aim is to find. We have to show area of triangle ABC equal to half the area of parallelogram BCD. So first you find area of triangle ABC. You know what is the formula to find area of triangle. What is the general formula? What is the formula to find area of any triangle? It is half into base into height. See, therefore, first find out area of triangle ABC. It is half into base into height. So half, which is the base? BC, base will be BC, half into BC into altitude. H means altitude, AL, you see. AL half into BC into AL. It is the area of triangle ABC. Okay. Now, see, as you know, AL, just we proved here, AL equal to DM. So in place of AL, we can write DM. Therefore, it is equal to half into BC into, you see, DM. What is the reason? Since AL equal to DM. Okay. Now look at this. BC into DM. Look at. Just I said now. BC. See, you know in a parallelogram there are four sides. And we know from junior classes that in a parallelogram any side can be taken as the base. We can take any one of the sides of the parallelogram as the base. Now see children, if BCD is a parallelogram, then BC can be taken as the base. Okay. Now if BC is the base, which is the corresponding altitude, if BC is taken as the base of parallelogram BCDE, then which is the corresponding altitude? Definitely DM. DM will be the corresponding altitude of BC in the parallelogram BCDE. And you know what is the formula to find area of a parallelogram? What is the formula? I hope you must have understood, you must have remembered, it was there in class 7. The area of a parallelogram is base into height or base into altitude. So here the base is BC and DM is the altitude. So BC into DM, that is base into height, it will give you area of parallelogram BCD. So what I mean to say children, in place of BC into DM, what will come? It will come area of parallelogram. So that you have to write. But area of parallelogram BCDE equal to, you see, area of parallelogram BCDE equal to, you know the formula, it is base into height. So here the base is which one? BC. Base of this parallelogram is BC and height is which one? Corresponding altitude. Height means the corresponding altitude drawn on the base. It is DM. So you see. So area of parallelogram BCD equal to BC into DM. That means in place of BC into DM, we can write area of parallelogram BCD. Therefore, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. Putting value of equation 2, see, value of equation 2 in equation 1. Put this value in equation 1. What you will get? You will get area triangle ABC equal to, you see, half. In place of BC into DM, see, it is half into BC into DM. In equation 1, area of triangle ABC is half into BC into DM. But the value of BC into DM, look at. The value of BC into DM is which one? Area of parallelogram BCD. So in place of BC into DM, we will write area of parallelogram BCD. So it is half into BC into DM. In place of BC DM, we write down area parallelogram, which one? Area parallelogram BCD. Finished. Now this is proved. You see, proved. So what did we come to prove? We came to prove that area of triangle ABC is half the area of parallelogram BCD. When triangle ABC and parallelogram BCD stand or lie on the same base BC and between the same parallels AD and BC. So this proved that if a triangle and a parallelogram lie or stand on the same base and between the same parallels, they will the area of triangle will be equal to half the area of parallelogram. Okay. So this is how to prove this particular theorem. There are some other theorems in this chapter also. We shall discuss it in the next class, children. Children, I hope you must have understood the proof of this geometrical truth or theorem. How to prove area of a triangle is half the area of parallelogram if a triangle and a parallelogram stand on the same base and between the same parallels. We will discuss more about this chapter in the next class. And I am sure you must have understood what I discussed. If at all it is true, if you feel yes, what Manti sir is explaining very nicely, we are able to understand everything, then children, I must say that you please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay. So we shall discuss the rest part of this chapter in the next class. Thank you.